Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file in Word for Mac and making a quick backup. Once done, switch to Draft View or enable Show /hide marks so non-printing symbols appear. This makes section breaks visible. Now scroll to the exact section break you want to remove. Do not guess. You need to see the marker labeled Section Break, Next Page /continuous /even page, so you can target it precisely. This reduces the chance of accidentally deleting content or losing formatting later on. You now remove or alter the break. Click the section break marker so the insertion point is contiguous with it, then press Delete or Backspace to remove it. If deleting would disrupt layout, change the break type instead. Open Layout Breaks and choose Continuous to merge sections while preserving most formatting. Once done, inspect headers, footers, and page numbers because section boundaries control those. If numbering or header content shifts, use the header tools to relink sections and restore consistency. Finally, confirm the document looks right. You should inspect headers, footers, margins, and page numbers because removing a break can change those settings. Make sure to relink headers if needed. Use Command+F and search for special code B to find any leftover section breaks quickly. If something still breaks, like stubborn numbering or layout, copy the content into a fresh document or revert to your backup and try removing breaks one at a time. This approach minimizes collateral formatting changes and recovers quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.